Since the Christmas present arrived early, I'm gonna share this with you, because despite my best effort, there is nothing available online rather than Seagull video, which is not what I was looking for. Let's unbox them. So, arrive with little hole at one side. Let's hope the content is untouched. I believe I am the first one in UK to get my hands on this beauty. The only thing I can tell you, I have one of those in my hangar. It's not the same size, it's smaller and it's very, very old model. But the way it's flying is amazing. I decided to go for a bigger one and compare the difference, and hopefully this will perform as good as the smaller version. I will be back in a minute. I just need to pull this out. There we go. That's the beauty. Ghost Rider. Super Chipmunk 81-inch wingspan. 35 to 40 cc. I have some ideas, and I didn't make my mind yet what I'm gonna put in it as a power plant. But from 33 to 40 cc 2-stroke petrol, 40 cc 4-stroke petrol, or electric power 10 or 12S. I've got all this somewhere in my drawers. At the moment, let's have a look. Massive box. That's my hand compared to the box size. I wonder how the damage look like on the other side. That's the hole. There we go. That's how this comes from factory. Traveling all the way from Vietnam. Stickers. More stickers. Everything is glued very well. But this time it's not a tape, double-sided tape, I guess. Wing. Okay, fuselage and some other bits. Nice spots. I wonder if the blue is metallic or solid. That's the cockpit bits and bobs. The antenna. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna do that. Electric conversion, 2-blade spinner. lights with controller. That's the wingtip lights and standoffs. I wonder if this one is for electric or petrol. Accessory bag anyway, with color hinges for flaps. Nice. I was hoping for spring action, but not quite scale though. Nice tire. And beautiful legs. Push rods. Thick push rods, quite heavy. Oh, that's a nice fuel tank. 400cc. Spar tube. Some push rods. Zip ties and something else, I'm not sure yet. Canopy. Little pants or something, I don't know. Nice, very nice. That's it. Nice blue metallic. I really like this color. Paint job. It's not perfect, but it's good enough, I would say. Okay, little bit of dust on the clear coat, but otherwise good. I wonder if the 40cc twin will fit here. I will find out later. I would like to see this fuselage. Lots of epoxy down here. Fiberglass firewall. That's the other side. can't wait. I need to see the color match. It's not perfect, but it's pretty close. These screws are quite fiddly to undo. I guess you have to remove the pilot figure first. Tricky. Magnets. Maybe different type of bolts will be helpful. Okay. What I would like to see if I have enough space for smoke system for the tank. Okay, so that's the fuel tank which comes with it, which is 400 cc. I can fit the tank in there. There is some space left for throttle servo. When I center, I can have also choke. But I was hoping to put this larger tank in there for smoke. And look like I will have to figure this out somehow. Oh no, there are screws here though. So this factory tank is okay. The big tank, this will have to be modified to fit the big tank. The tray is on the way. This one is 500 cc. 500 cc will also fit. And the top hatch will close. This one is like 1 liter, I think. Liter goes in nicely. With little modification, I bet I can fit here easily 500 for smoke. Fuel forward. And 500 will start from there, and I still have a couple of inches between the tanks, and that one will sit on CG. And Ghost Rider is perhaps, well, it will make sense to have a nice smoke system here, isn't it? Okay. I just don't like these two small screws because they're very close to that pilot socket, let's call it. This bolt is not the best, that's why it's not working very well. These guys look the same to me. Yes, on these pilots. If you glue these pilots in place, there is no way to access these screws. Canopy undamaged. So I thought this canopy will be kind of ready for sliding, but no, you have to make this. You have to make this right yourself. I bet the screws could be, you know, swapped with magnets.